they're making a promotional video for the guy that owns this boat. Mi amigo Diego, la DJ por hoy.
Hey, todo bien. Cartagena.
Venezuela.
Estados Unidos.
What's up?
I have no idea where we're going. Apparently the club is called the Sandwich Club. And we're going in a place called Tierra Bamba. It sounds dangerous. Yeah. He's got like a map. He's got a map on the bottom right, and then he's got all these digital signals that tell him where everything is. That's so much better than the one I got. I gotta get another one. And he can just set it and like it'll fly around by itself, right? Okay, so this is the end of the night. This is where it ends up. This beautiful place. There's the boat we came on. So let's videotape this place once and for all. This is where all the hookers hang out. This is where all the clubs are. This is the old part of Cartagena that's cool. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. We're both barefoot.
Oh yeah. We went out the last time in Cartagena, and in the morning all our friends came to the boat and we had a little private concert. But then we had to go get back to work because we had some people approach us and ask us to take them to Panama and Sambas because it's cheaper for them to take the boat and not go by plane. So we agreed to leave in 2 days. We had a bunch of work to do. James fixed the oil pump because we got the new spare part. Finally, after several months of waiting.
Let me show you what's wrong with the engine. I got my new oil pump, so that's cool. I'm going to show you guys what happened and why I've only had one engine for 3 months, 4 months. So this is the new oil pump. This is a Yanmar oil pump. Alright, so what happened was this bolt broke off when I tried to replace the impeller because it was leaking out of here. But it wasn't the impeller that was the problem, it was the shaft seals. So I had to take it off again and replace the shaft seals, and I thought at the time if I just tightened these down it would stop leaking. So I tightened them down too much and then I broke this one off. So I took it off, I drilled it out, I tried to get the bolt out with the easy out and I broke the easy out in it. And then I had to drill the easy out with a carbide bit, or like 2 or 3 of them, and it was just a wreck. I didn't do it straight, and when I went to put the thing together, I thought if it was flush it would be fine, but it actually tilted it just a little tiny bit, just enough to where it's seated on this, to tilt this just a little bit and provide a little bit of stress and break it. I need to take the timing cover to a machine shop, have them fill this with TIG weld, and then have them drill it and tap it again with the right size, completely straight. And they'll have the machinery to do that. I mean, it ain't gonna be that hard, really. Or at least I'll have my motor back and right, and it's not gonna break again. That's such a bitch.
And when the day came and we were ready to leave and the charter people were on the boat, Cartagena didn't want to let us go. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There's 3 now. We're fucked together.
How come?
Well, because James is an idiot. And we were dragging and I was afraid of hitting another boat, and I put 2 anchors down and it's been that way for 2 weeks. And every day we do a circle, so now this anchor line and my other anchor line and this mooring, they caught the mooring too.
They caught the mooring?
Yeah, so there's 3. So I actually have to disconnect this anchor from the boat. Now just feed this through. Dude, this is like on this side.
Well, that's one way to spend your day. Because of that, and because of some trouble with the immigration that one of our friends had, we left at night.
No way. It's one of three.
Hey James, what are we doing? What's happening? Why are we so slow?
Well, the boat's dirty as hell after 2 weeks in Cartagena, and then my damn engine that I just fixed the oil pump just broke the oil pump. I waited for like months for that damn part. I tried to get it in Jamaica, I tried to get it in Cayman, I tried to get it here, and I finally got it here, and it broke 10 minutes after I started the engine. I think what might be happening is the prop shaft is still bent from when I grounded it. It must be, but I'm super pissed about it. So we're doing like 1.5, 2 knots because the engine's, I can't get the port engine above 2,000 RPM.
Yeah, 2 knots if you're being optimistic about it.
Dude, it's like
Next question, who are all those people on the boat? Those strangers, and what are they doing
we decided
here?
to charter the boat to Panama. We got, how many people? 6?
And there? And there's some here. Hola! ¿A dónde vamos?
Vamos a Panamá.
Ajá.
Panama City.
Panama. Interesting.
We're going to San Blas first.
Yeah, we're finally leaving Cartagena after 2 months.
Oh no, I guess it's only 5 people, huh? At least it's comfy. One of our friends couldn't come because like on the day we're about to leave, an hour before we're about to leave, the immigration guy calls him and he's like, I can't let you go because you don't have a chip in your passport. Even though the passport was valid. But it sucks. Sorry, Juan.
So since our guests got a pretty sweet deal with our charter, we didn't have any bad consciousness whatsoever putting them to work. This is what the dirt of only 2 weeks in Cartagena looks like. The increase of speed is amazing.
Alright, almost to the San Blas. We see Panama over there. Probably can't see it with this camera, but Panama, land ho, man. We're on a little charter. We picked up 6 people in Colombia and we're taking them to Panama. And I haven't caught any fish. I mean, I've been motoring forever. 2 days of motoring already. But look at the sea, it's nice. Seen a lot of boats, haven't seen shit else out here. No wind, that sucks. This is our cook for the trip. She's an awesome cook. Yeah, man. Look at all this beautiful, look at this stuff. I like the ones that look like leaves from a tree, like this. This one looks like you made leaves in it.
As you guys probably guessed already, our guests were mostly hippies and long-time travelers. So we made an arrangement with them that they're gonna cook and help us clean and just pay a little. And they all did, except one.
And say hi to your blind passenger over there.
Oh look, we got a little passenger.
He's not even dead. He lives. He doesn't look very real.
This little guy has been with us for like, I don't know, a couple hours, and he got on the boat when we were 80 miles out to sea, and he looked tired. When he landed, he was kind of off. So he's just been chilling, shitting on our books. Jack the Sparrow.
That's the name of the Sparrow.
So his name has to be Jack. Jack Sparrow. Yeah, okay. Jack it is. All right, Jack. What's up, buddy?
So my boat is trashed. Really trashed. There's 9 people on it. Wait, 2, 4, 5. There's 7 people on it right now, but there was 9. I'm trying to make some money to pay for sales, and I think I'm gonna end up making like $100. I chartered my boat for too cheap to cool people, and I don't think I'm gonna make anything. But it pays for my Sunblast trip and my Panama permit. Yeah, we're here. We've been motoring for 2 freaking days, so I'm not too happy about that. I used up all my gas. I had to siphon gas from one of the other tanks. The motor that broke right when we left, I had fixed it in Cartagena, and then it snapped the oil pump again. I think the shaft is bent or something. I'm not sure. I checked it in Mexico. Maybe I f***ed it up again or something. I don't know. We ended up having one engine. We averaged 3.7 knots all the way here, 200 miles. That sucks. I'm sick of motoring. I'm sick of motoring.